What is up, guys? Today, I am going to be rhinestoning some jorts. I've been wanting to do this for a sec now. So, since I was like, dang, I don't even know what I'm about to wear to school tomorrow, I thought, might as well try to pull some out of my ass. Try and customize some jorts. So, yeah, I'm going to show you what the shorts I'm gonna do them on. I'm wearing them right now. So these are the jorts I'm gonna try to do them on. There's a little spotted glue because I put a rhinestone on it already to see how it would look, and it looked like it would probably turn out pretty fire, par normal, of course, everything I do. All right, guys, about ready to start cooking. I got these rhinestones right here, this pack. There's like a bunch of different sizes. I got them off Amazon. And then I wanted to use a hot glue gun, but I can't find where I put it. So I'm gonna just use this nail glue that this set came with. I don't know. It should be straight, but so I don't know if I'm gonna use like all different sizes or one like the same size. If I do the same size, it'll be the medium / big ones, because like they're easier to put the glue on. But yeah, I'm gonna just start placing them in random spots and hope for the best. There's glue on my fingers. First rhinestone officially on. This is so annoying to do, even though I've rhinestoned a shirt before. But like, I don't know if it's because of my nails. Check them out, check them out, check them out. But for real though, I don't know if it's because of my nails or what, but it's like, glue's just getting on my finger. Then when I try to put the jewel down, the jewel just flips and the glue gets on my finger, and then there's just a glue stain on the pants, and it's making me mad. I'm gonna just keep doing them, but I'm not gonna film it because it's probably gonna make it way too long to flip and edit. So, lucky for y'all, jump to the finished product.
It's just a baby.
Right, guys, I think I'm done. This is what they're looking like. Okay, I'm gonna try them on, and yeah, we'll see. Try to like low-key put a fit together, see what it would look like. This is what they look like though. They're not really blinging because it's hard to like get them facing the sun, but y'all get the gist of it. But I'm gonna try them on. All right, guys, this is the finished product. I feel like the camera's not doing its justice because they're really blinging in person. Yeah, you're not supposed to put them on the back, right? I don't think you are, right? Because then how would you sit? Duh. Yeah, I'm gonna probably wear it with this sweater or something tomorrow. But yeah. Bro, you still like can't see the rhinestones really on camera, I don't think. But let me know how I did. Let me know how I did, y'all. And if you would wear these or not, comment down below. And like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys whenever I feel like it. Deuces.
Bruh.